My name's Shaun Forrest. I'm with Carleton University, primarily looking at microplastics in the Ottawa watershed.
My name is Larissa. I'm the Riverwatch coordinator here at Ottawa Riverkeeper, and I work with all of our river watchers. We have approximately 85 river watchers, and many of them were involved in the microplastic study, a really exciting project where we have our river watchers going out and participating in a sampling protocol to find out more about the presence of microplastics and microfibers in the Ottawa River, which is how we started working with Shaun and Jesse Vermaire.
We had volunteers give us samples, I think, Hawkesbury to Miskaming, I think about 600 kilometres of the river. It does show there's microplastics everywhere, but it gives us more of a picture spatially of what's going on in the river.
And I think the thing that was interesting for us as a volunteer network was to be able to feed into this research. River watchers are incredibly curious and knowledgeable about the river, and so having a project to work on that helps them better understand issues within the watershed was really compelling for them.
The other bonus too is that it gets these volunteers engaged, they learn more about the issue, they're able to advocate about the issue. The outreach, it's great. I guess disadvantages, sometimes it can be hard to follow instructions exactly, but that comes down to educating them. But you also have to find a middle ground. You can't ask them to do too much. You can't say, listen, can you filter 1,000 litres of water for me, because that'd be really helpful.
The Riverwatch network is an interesting one because it's not a random group of volunteers. These are people who participate in water quality monitoring for us on a monthly basis. So there's that give and take about making sure there's enough information without overwhelming people with too many instructions.
There are plans to continue collaborating with the Watch network. I think the next run will be a sediment run. I think we're going to try and look at sediment samples, and we'll keep using this collaboration because I think it's quite handy.